Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about factorial number using recursion in C. This is continuation to previous video, factorial number in C. Please go through the previous video before going through this video. What is factorial number? Factorial number means to multiply a series of descending natural numbers. The formula to calculate factorial of a number is n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. For example, if you want to calculate 5 factorial, then 5 factorial equal to 5 into 5 minus 1 factorial. Here 5 minus 1 factorial means 4 factorial. Then we need to calculate 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 4 minus 1 factorial. Then 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial and 0 factorial. Finally 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 120. The default value for 0 factorial is equal to 1. We will discuss this concept over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create CPP application. I already created C application. Here we have main method. Main method is the entry point for an execution. First point is we need to get input from command prompt. So here we need to declare input variable int input printf. Please provide input number. We need to use scanf function to read input. Scanf underscore s percentage d comma address of input. We need to check input is valid or not. If input less than 0, printf invalid number, else we need to call factorial method, factorial of input. Still we didn't get factorial method. Now we need to declare factorial method. Later we need to implement factorial method. Here declare factorial method int factorial of int input. Copy this line, paste here and provide implementation. If input equal to 0 or input equal to 1, then return 1, return 1, else return input into factorial of input minus 1. Here we are calling factorial method recursively. What is recursion? Recursion means the function calls itself. Here factorial method calling itself is called recursion. Here factorial method returning integer, we need to store return output in integer variable. Here declare integer variable int result. Later print the output printf percentage d factorial equal to percentage d input comma result. In this place input will be displayed and in this place result will be displayed. We will execute this program without debugging. That means control F5, minus 3 invalid number, control F5, 0, 0 factorial is equal to 1, control F5, 1, 1 factorial is equal to 1, control F5, 5, 5 factorial is equal to 120. In this program first 3 lines is used to get the input from command prompt. Here we are checking the condition input is valid or not. If input is valid, then it will go to else part. Then here we are calling factorial method with input, and then here we have logic for factorial method. In if condition we are checking input is 0 or 1. If input is 0 or 1, then return 1. Else call the factorial method recursively. We will execute this program through debugging to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Later go to debug, click on start debugging or F5, later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging. Execution start from main method F11. Please provide input number 3, enter F11. Here 3 less than 0 false, goes to else part. Here factorial of 3, input is equal to 3. Then we are checking condition, input is equal to 0 or 1, return 1. Else execute factorial method F11. Here it's executing else part. Input 3 into factorial of 3 minus 1. Factorial of 3 minus 1 means factorial of 2. Here input is equal to 2. Then check the condition. Then 2 into factorial of 2 minus 1, that means 1. Input is equal to 1. Here return 1. Then it will execute like 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6. F11. Now here 2. Now 3, that means 1 into 2 into 3. F11. Here we have output 3 factorial is equal to 6. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.